NY to LA with it. NY to LA with it. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can see, I'm rocking bundles today. This hair is brought to you by Unice Hair Company, so I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customize this unit, as well as a full install tutorial. So if that's something you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. Bye.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this box, I received a nice silk robe as well as a wig bag, and I received some wig caps, an elastic band, a bonnet, as well as some eyelashes. This unit is a 26-inch, 250% density, 5x5 lace closure wig with a natural hairline. She also has adjustable straps and combs. So we're going to keep things simple and bleach the knots on this unit. I'm going to take my quick blue powder, 40 volume developer, mix it up and create a thick consistency. Go ahead and get your blast free spray and comb your little hairs back just so you can avoid over bleaching, and apply that bleach. I let this sit for over an hour and wash it out with some purple shampoo and conditioner, and it looked it so perfectly. And here I am now just about to pluck this unit. I go in with my wax stick and hot comb just to lay out the baby hairs and make sure the parting is as flat as possible. I then go ahead and get my tweezers and start plucking in sporadic motions. So as you can see, I'm just going back and forth plucking, and then once I'm finished plucking in sporadic motions, for every pluck that I see, I just go all the way back, probably like 2 inches, just so the hairline can look as natural as possible. And then here I'm just cleaning up the parting. Now we are going to just use our BioSilk as well as some hairspray and pin curl our hairs. So I let these curls sit for over like 3 days, so the curls definitely lasted because of that. But definitely do the pin curl method if you want your curls to last a long time, okay you guys? And once you're finished, don't forget to spray again. So spray before you curl and after you curl, and let it sit until it cools down. So now for the fun part, we're going to install our unit. Don't forget to push those baby hairs back. We're going to use a new stocking cap that is going around on all the wig companies. So we have the new versus the original. This is the original compared to the new one, which is way more thinner, and it just creates a perfect bald cap. I'm going to add the mineral powder or any foundation you would like to add on top, and then I just finish it off with my Eben hairspray, which is in the gold can, and just let that dry up until we're ready to install our wig. But I'm gonna let you guys listen to the song that you heard in the beginning, and I'll put it up on the screen as well while you watch me install this unit.
NY to LA with it. NY to LA with it. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin'. From the first whistle, we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery, I'm proud of me, yeah. No baby proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just from me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage, my lungs. Wife, you want to drive, she get what she want. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Talking on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Gone broke, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Darling, from the first whistle we go all in. And one, numbers up and never falling. My baby called me and said she need to stay. Be for real, 25 they other type of kid. Stop playing with me, you know that you here to stay. Stop playing with me, I'll be back home in 8. Know I'm on the go, but I'm not over you. Made you far from home, but I'm still close to you. Gotta get that back like I'm supposed to do. Had to rush hurry up cause I'm overdue. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride.
By the way, I do get my music from Epidemic Sound, so definitely check out my website under the creators page to get the actual business link. But here I'm just cutting some layers into this unit just so it can give a little bit more volume. This unit is so thick and luscious. I already know this unit is going to last months on end, probably years on end, because it's just so thick and great quality. I am obsessed with Unice wigs. Like, I love working with them. Best company in my opinion. And here I'm just finishing off the BioSilk with BioSilk just so I can add a little bit more shine. And then here we're gonna do the baby hair refill. They're looking juicy. Okay, so yes, it's giving frontal vibes, and this is the final result, you guys. I am obsessed with this unit, my everyday type of unit. Thank you so much, Unice Hair Company, for letting me try out this unit. And don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.